In the exciting or fascinating world of chemistry, we're looking at molecular and bonding geometry. Molecular geometry is defined as means determine the shape of a covalent based on the number of bond sites. Okay, bond sites are bonds and unbound electron pairs. So you count the total number of bonds and unbound electron pairs, and that's the number of bond sites. Okay, bonding geometry means determining the shape of a covalent based on the molecular geometry, what we get from molecular geometry, and then just the bonds. Okay, so that's what we get from there. All right, now I have a sheet in this document as well, so you can identify it from there. We'll look at hybridization. Remember, hybridization we defined last year is a rearrangement of orbitals based on the number of bond sites. So we got a number of bond sites, that's 2, so we need 1s and 1p. So it'd be sp. Molecular geometry of sp, I have 2 bond sites and 2 bonds. Molecular geometry is linear. Bonding geometry is also going to be linear. Okay? Come over here and take a look at the shape. And you can see it's a linear molecule exactly like that. Awesome. All right, now, as far as a bond angle then, because it's straight across, it's 180 degrees. There we go. Let's do the next one. 3 bond sites, 3 bonds. So that would be 1s and 2p. And then 3 bond sites, 3 bonds. Molecular geometry is trigonal planar. Okay, whenever the bond sites and bonds are the same, the molecular geometry and bonding geometry are always the same. All right, and look at the shape there. You can see it's a 120-degree bond angle here. Okay, close that up. And so we're exactly 120 degrees. Oop, I didn't grab it. Sorry about that. There it goes. Now, if I have 3 bond sites and 2 bonds, we still go off the number of bond sites for hybridization, so it's still sp2. Oop, grab the wrong one there, put that off the side for right now. And molecular geometry based off the number of bond sites, it's still trigonal planar. But now because one of those sites is unbonded, the bonding geometry becomes bent. Look at the shape there. Looks like that. Alrighty. Now, because that unbound electron pair takes up so much space, it's going to be less than 120 degrees between those. Now, we'll do the rest of these in class. If you want to try to work through it and see what you come up with or you remember, that's great. You will not be allowed to have these for the test. You have to know them, except for the bond angles. That's not a big deal. As far as the shape, you will need to know those. All right, hopefully this wasn't too bad. Take care. Be good.